Welcome to our guide on how to apply for a Scotiabank credit card. In this video, we'll explore the benefits, application process, and rewards setup. Let's discuss who is eligible to apply for a Scotiabank credit card. Generally, you must be a Canadian resident, 18 years or older, and have a stable source of income. Scotiabank offers a variety of credit cards, including options for students, rewards, and low interest rates. Choose the one that best fits your lifestyle. Here's a step-by-step guide to applying for your Scotiabank credit card online. First, visit the Scotiabank website and navigate to the credit card section. To enhance your chances of approval, maintain a good credit score, provide accurate information, and consider a co-applicant if necessary. After you submit your application, you'll receive a confirmation email, and the bank will usually process your application within a few business days. Once you're approved, you need to activate your Scotiabank credit card. This can typically be done online or through the mobile app. Don't forget to set up your rewards program. You can earn points on your purchases that can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, and more. Manage your Scotiabank credit card account smoothly through their app, where you can check balances, pay bills, and track rewards. In conclusion, use your credit card wisely. Pay on time, keep track of your spending, and always aim for a low balance.